Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about two remote access platform, which is GoTo Resolve and ISL Online. So to get started with a quick analysis, GoTo Resolve offers a comprehensive IT support platform tailored for managed service provider and internal IT department. It integrates with remote access, monitoring, ticketing, and automation include a unified solution. The key features include conversational ticketing, AI-assisted scripting, remote monitoring, and the patch management with a zero-trust security model. The platform supports multi-section handling, section collaboration, and integrate with tools like Microsoft Teams, enhancing its support workflow. GoTo Resolve is ideal for organizations seeking an all-in-one IT management solution. On the other hand, ISL Online offer a focused, a secure, and a reliable remote desktop access, making it suitable for IT professionals and businesses requiring a straightforward remote support. It offers features like unattended access, section record, file transfer, and administrative models for tasks requiring elevating privilege. ISL Online provide flexibility with deployment options, including a cloud or premise managed private cloud environment. It lightweight client practical choice for organization needing an efficient remote access without extensive IT infrastructure. And here's the very conclusion. Choose GoTo Resolve if your organization requires a comprehensive IT support platform with integrated remote access, monitoring, and automation features, or opt in for ISL Online if you need a secure, straightforward remote desktop solution with a flexible deployment option. And that's it.